Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient outline to text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add gradient outline to text. Firstly, write some text. Then select the text and bold. Then go to the insert menu. Then click border drop down menu. Then choose any text effect. Then click the border text and go to the format menu. Then click format text effect. Then click the text and click check mark on the solid fill. Then select the gradient line and apply gradient color to this outline color. Click the panel and choose color. Then close the window. Now we can see here we added gradient outline to this text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.